limited edition Classic Clog, inspired by the classic 1984 movie starring Bill Murray and Dan Aykroyd, will be released by Crocs in collaboration with Ghostbusters. The ghost hunting team's iconic proton packs and beige jumpsuits are honored in the design, which combines vintage aspects with Crocs' distinctively fun aesthetic. The clog's tan upper, which is reminiscent of the Ghostbusters outfits, is accentuated by yellow and black caution tape accents on the little zipper pockets and heel straps. 4 interchangeable Velcro name tags, Ventman, Zedmore, Stance, and Spangler, are included with each pair so that supporters can display their preferred team member. To complete the gear-like look, rubber tubing and accents reminiscent of ghost traps wrap around the sides and heel, while a green Slimer figure adorns the left forefoot, suggesting one of the movie's most iconic slime moments. On August 19th, Crocs.com and a few other merchants will carry the Ghostbusters x Crocs Classic Clog.